Hi guys, today is a Monday and we have to discuss some trading situations that I have for you. You're welcome to join my YouTube channel. You're welcome to stay here and to understand how to trade. I do try to make videos when it is comfortable for me, but you're really welcome to ask questions. What should we trade due to different things that I know how to use, the technical reasons, the fundamental reasons. Starting with the fundamental reasons, you know that here is an look at the news list that we have, and today it's good to trade Great Britain pound, euros, the Japanese yen. Also, here is some possibility that Canadian dollar will show you a good trading things. I want to share my terminal with you, the trading view, so that you can try to understand what I want you to use in trading. There are more videos on my YouTube channel. You can go through different videos and check what it works like. So I give you a reason to buy or to sell something, and you have to check how it end up. So it's not like I'm gonna show you, I gave you a signal, you enter market, you earn. Please do it by yourself. This is the most important thing for any trader. You have to be able to check everything with your own eyes, with your own brain, not to believe that someone will do it for you. My idea for this YouTube channel is just to help you with the technical reasons that I use, and it works. You have to just believe that it works, after that check that it works, how it works, and use it. You're welcome to use it. So now we go to euro dollar, and my idea for this instrument is that they will go up to 122.30. If you go to daily chart, you will see that here is level of resistance due to Ishimoku cloud, due to Ishimoku levels. It is 122, the horizontal line of the Ishimoku Kijun line. So the horizontal line 122, and the top level of Ishimoku cloud is 122.30. So if you stay in long positions or you enter long positions, this is your target, 122.30 intraday. If you go intraday and you want to find a good entry point, how you do that? First of all, you have to check the 15-minute chart. This is something that I use all the time. And my idea for today is that we enter market with the long positions about this green line. This is like 121.65 level. But check here, I made the same video for my YouTuber blogger, for my YouTube people in Russian area, Russian speaking area, and here, look, I gave this level as a good one to enter market. What market does? They break it, they show you candle with a shadow on the upper side. You see this shadow? You can check this shadow, and the second 15-minute chart candle goes down under the level. You never buy if you see these shadows. So what we do, I am still okay to go up and buy up to 122.30. This is still a good idea. But what I need price to be above 121.65 area without any shadows. When they sit on this level, I'm ready to enter market and go up. So I believe this is a really good idea, but only after they break this level and stay above. If they're gonna break up, go down, break up, go down, I just do not enter market. So my technical idea is good, I believe that, but it doesn't work like they're giving me a shadow, but I just enter market. No, I have to check every 15 minutes what's going on, and if I see that market is strong to go up, I will buy. But right now it's not like that, so you're welcome to use my idea. If you go to American dollar index, it's kind of the same. I'm ready to go down and sell. My targets for American dollar index are 89.93, 89.65, and after that 89.20. So those are good targets. If you enter market right now and you just believe that it will go down, you have to put your stop loss above 90.58. So you just believe that it will go down. That means that you can enter market even right now. You are welcome, just do that. That your stop loss has to go above 90.55, just in case you don't catch it. If you trade intraday in a little like 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart like that, what you have to do, you have to check all those levels all the time until they are under 90.18, 90.20. It's still good to wait for a sell signal. But they may go down, up, down, up, down, up. Intraday, it's not the best moment to trade. You know that it's good to wait for a good movement for American dollar when on American time. So right now I'm okay to make a video for you because this is not best trading time for me. I need news, I need American traders to be online, and after that we trade. Right now this is the time for videos. So yeah, if you check the technical situation, it's still good to enter market with short positions for American dollar index, but only while they stay under 90.20. But if they test higher prices, it's still good until they don't break 90.50 area. Everything under this area is still okay in a middle term movement. Okay. So now we go to Great Britain pound because I know that you're interested in that, and Great Britain pound for me is really good, and you know that my target is 142. Above 140 you buy with the target 142. So now what do you do? Check here, you go and try to find what if they go above 142. What is your target above 142? Right now I will sell you I will give you only this idea that here is a maximum price of 2018 and this is like 143 level. I have higher targets, but right now for you, let's discuss only two targets. This is like 142 area, and after that, they will go to 143.10 area. You're welcome to use these because we are in long positions and we discussed with you this situation, so go and catch it. For Euro Japanese yen, it's still good to go up to 133 area, and you can enter market while they're staying above this horizontal line. This is like while they are above 132.10, you're welcome to enter market with long positions up to 133. This is still good. For Great Britain pound with the Japanese yen, you know that we are in long positions because I told you above 152 I'm ready to buy with the target 155. So this is like that, it's good. And now you can see that market is being on level of resistance from April 2021. Yes, they are on level of resistance, but it does not mean that they're giving you a good rebound. If you don't feel comfortable, you're welcome to close your position to fix your profit. I don't feel like I want to close it. I'm fine to wait. But if you don't feel, it does not mean that I will not close it, but what I do, I check market all the time. If you think that they will not go through this level, go and close your position. If you're okay to wait, go up to 155. This is a really good target. For gold, we are waiting for higher prices. They are not giving us a good entry point right now, but above 1840, they may go up to 1880, 1883. This is the target. For Euro Canadian dollar, I'm still waiting. I don't enter market yet. Maybe they will give us an opportunity to buy like that, like this, above 147.20. When they break it, they will go to 148.50. You can see the tendency line that is going down. This is the tendency line. If they break this tendency, they will go to 148.50. What we can do and check, we make the Fibonacci extension, first level, second, third. When they break 147.75, they may go up to 149.40, even more. But only if they break this level. You're welcome to use any levels that you like as a target. But as an entry point, what I like is when they break the Fibonacci extension first target. When they do that, it means that they have power to go further. If they don't do that, it's not okay to enter market and buy. For Brent, they are not okay right now, and I would leave this instrument until American session. I don't like the technical picture right now, so I feel like I don't want to trade it right now. About all the indexes, Nikkei and all that, you know my position. Intraday, you can go like that. You know my position, but we still will discuss. Let me try. I want to show you something, easy, that it doesn't look like that. So, okay, for you, above 29,300, it's still good to go up to 29,940. I think this is good. But like right now, 1 hour chart is not okay, so they may go to test this area. What I would advise you is to wait for intraday good signal, as for example like this. Maybe they test this level, they even break it, but when they go above you're okay to go up and buy. I'm trying to find the best entry point for you so you don't put the big stop loss. That's something that I want you to do. And if you see that they go down, when should you buy? Maybe they test this area. This is one more which I really like as an entry point. If they test it and they go up, so this is an entry point to buy. But the best one for us these days is like this area. Even if they break, if they go above, when they go above this 29,500 area, to buy with the target 29,900. I think this is a good one. Okay, so if you need more ideas, and by the way, you remember my silver idea to buy up to 28 area. So yep, it goes up, it goes okay. I do remember everything that I say, everything. So I do not say something, but after that I don't do that. What I wanted to sell under this area. I wanted to go down, but they didn't give me an opportunity. I didn't buy. I missed all this way up. I didn't enter market. But on Friday, in this area to my Russian trading club, I wrote them that I feel like I want to buy up to 28 area, and for now it's good. So it's going up, and this is our target. I have traders who make even higher targets. They're not okay to hold only to 28 area because they want price to go like to 31 area. Well, it's up to them. It's good. It's something that they are welcome to use because they feel like they know what they are doing. Now, the nearest target that I technically see is like 28, but of course they may go even higher, much higher. So yeah, right now we are in profit. I'm in profit, and I hope this will help you also to make you right movements with the market. So I want to thank you. Thank you very much for your attention to my channel. Press those thumbs up, join my channel. I have Telegram channel, I have Instagram, so you're welcome to stay in touch and trade with me when I have time. I share my trading ideas for free here on YouTube. Thank you very much for everything. See you. Bye-bye.